there. If you're new, my name is and please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it and subscribe to my channel down below. Please subscribe. Let us get to 200 subscribers at least. We're currently at 180 something and we need to get to 200 like by the end of this month. We can even do that by the end of this video, like you guys. If you onto my skin, guys, the trick to this stuff is to actually let it dry down. Like after I apply this process, I'm going to give it some time to dry, like really dry, before I apply my foundation. That's how you get the best of this product. If you're using any primer or a mattifier, just let it dry down before you apply your foundation. You see, by the end of the day, like where I wore this makeup, it stayed throughout the whole day. Like I had little or no shine, and that's just like an amazing trick. Like you have to try it. And now I'm going to use my beauty blender to blend the foundation onto my skin. Right after this, you know the process, guys, contouring and highlighting. So I'm just going to let you watch it and I'll come right after to talk you guys through. and stuff like that. For my nose, I'm using a more precise brush to get that perfect pointed nose, you know. And I'm also going back with that beauty blender to further blend any lines, fine lines under my eyes, and I'm just setting that with powder from that same powder palette before I literally set everything with my setting powder. Brows, I'll be using the brow pencil from beautylinebydidi on Instagram, and I'm just filling in my brows, nothing serious. And after this, I'm going to highlight the bottom part of my brows using some concealer from Zaroncosmetics. And if you another bigger blending brush to further blend out that corner, and I'm just setting the concealer right below my brow with powder, and I'm also going back with that same big blending brush to diffuse anything right there, and I'm picking up that gold shade, and I noticed that the powder off my face. And as usual, I'm also spraying my beauty blender with my favorite setting spray from Zaroncosmetics, and I'm pressing that onto my skin just to remove any of those powder or cakey effects, so my skin is looking like skin. I'm using my combination. Like, I feel like every woman of color needs this two color combo. You get, like, it's so pretty. And yep, I'm also adding some gel liner to my waterline. This one is called Attitude number 1 from Younger Beauty, and my world famous mascara. This one is also from Zaroncosmetics. It's so pretty, you guys. Like, I feel like this mascara is perfect for your bottom lashes, and it retails for just 1,150 naira. Super. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Please comment down below if you have any questions for me, and share these videos with your friends. Okay, I love y'all, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. Mwah.